Hi all, good morning. Can you hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
good morning. Yeah, gave you the recording permissions. You can record the session, okay? And let me share my screen. Any issues, any doubts, guys? Guys, please try to join at least by 7:05, okay? I can see people are joining 7:08, 7:09. Hmm? If you join,
షణ్ముఖ్
tell me.
సి ఇప్పుడు మీ క్లాసెస్ నేనంతా చూసాను. ఇక్కడేందంటే లాగిన్స్ గురించి చెప్పారు మీరు.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
అక్కడ కొంచెం కన్‌ఫ్యూజింగ్‌గా ఉంది. విండోస్ యూజర్స్ అండి, మామూలుగా యూజర్స్ అని చెప్పి సర్వర్ యూజర్స్ అని అది.
Hmm,
ఇక్కడ ఈ పాయింట్ ఏందంటే జస్ట్ 2 మినిట్స్ ఓన్లీ.
okay.
మీరు ఏం చెప్పారంటే ఒకసారి మనకు కన్ఫర్మేషన్ వస్తానే ఒక ఆర్గనైజేషన్ నుంచి విండోస్ టీమ్ వాళ్ళు మనకి యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వాలా అని
Hmm,
అని
hmm, hmm.
అది ఏంటి? స్టార్టింగ్ ఏంటి ఒకసారి ప్రాసెస్ చెప్పరా అది?
They don't give access to us. Usually they will create users in the active directory, okay? So Windows people has to create the users that they are going to create immediately once you join in the organization, okay? There
యాజ్
are,
ఎ అడ్మిన్‌గా.
as admin, as an employee, whatever it is, see, if you are able to access your office laptop means you should be part of the organization active directory. Okay,
ఓకే.
once you got the job, you will get the laptop, right? So how
ఓకే.
you can access that laptop? You are going to get separate credentials, right? Where they will create those credentials? They will create those credentials in the active directory. If you are using any office resources means you are a member of active directory. You are using office laptop, you are logging into the office laptop directory. So if you want to see, go to the security first classes, okay? In the first classes I just explained what is the username, how they are going to create the users and all, okay? Everything explained clearly with neat diagrams, okay? Just go through it. If you did not get anything, let me know, okay? I'll try to simplify the things.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Okay,
దట్స్ ఇట్.
okay, okay, that's fine. Yes, Shivaji, let me give you the recording permissions. Guys, please join by 7:05, okay? Still people are joining 7:10. It's not fair. At least join by 7:05. What is the problem if you join 5 minutes early?
Sir, are we going to start class from? Also, we are going to take class on Saturday, sir.
As of now, I haven't decided for Saturday. After security topic is completed, then I'll include Saturday also.
Yes, sir.
Who is this Nitin? Who is this Nitin? Yes, Nitin. Who is this? Can you please unmute and let me know? Please identify yourself. Anis, right? Hello, Nitin. Please unmute. Okay, you are in mute. Hello, Nitin. Yes, Nitin, can you hear me? No, it's not Anis. Nitin, please identify yourself. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the meeting. What is like Nitin is not my student. You joined might be computer name and all. So let me know your name. Nitin, can you hear me? Nitin, I cannot hear you, Nitin. At least type in the chat, okay? Let me know who you are. Hello, Nitin. Okay, Nitin, I'm going to remove you, okay? In case if you want to join, ping me in the WhatsApp, okay? Let me remove.
Sir, please give me record permission, sir. This is Mahesh.
Yeah, Mahesh. Hello. Right, okay. So let me connect to the server remotely. And any issues, guys, any issues, any doubts? How many server roles will be there quickly? We don't have time. How many server
9.
roles? Can anyone tell me? 9. Can
9.
anyone tell me what are the server roles? At least 3-4 server roles.
Bulk insert,
Okay.
sysadmin,
Mm-hmm.
one of them.
DB creator.
Okay.
Disk admin.
Process creator.
Okay.
Admin.
Process admin. Okay, not process
Sorry,
creator.
process admin.
Sysadmin,
Mm-hmm.
public.
Mm-hmm.
Public, right?
Okay, right. So actually server role, what is meant by server role?
Server
Collection
role,
of permissions.
Okay.
Collection of permissions.
giving
Right,
permission
okay.
to the particular permission to the user.
Yes. Okay. So can anyone tell me at least what permissions a process admin will have?
Process admin.
Hmm.
Kill.
Okay.
Kill sessions.
Process
Yeah.
admin.
Add member to
session.
permission.
Very good. Okay. Add member to the role. Okay. So any role will have by default one permission, that is add member to that particular role. Okay. So other than that, what are the permissions are there? They are going to 1 minute, please. Hello. Yeah. No problem. Right. Okay. So what permission?
Public.
Okay. So each and every role will have one default that just now we discussed.
Role finding ones.
No, that's not the correct word you are using. By default, each and every role will have one permission. Every role will have one permission. What is that permission?
Add user, sir.
That's it. That's it.
member,
Add member to that role.
Yes.
Add member to that role. Every role will have this permission. DB creator will have its permission, like add member to the DB creator role, add member to the process admin, add member to the disk admin. So this is common permission for each and every role. Okay, by default, if you are a member of any role, you can add another login into that particular role. Clear, guys? This is if you have permissions, just we discussed it, right? If you have money, you can give that money to others. If you don't have money, you cannot give. In the same way, if you are a member of that role, you can add other person also into that particular role. right? So let me explain three terminologies: grant, with grant, and deny, guys. What is the difference between grant, with grant, and deny? Okay. So grant means simply granting the permissions, giving the permissions. Got it? Grant means simply granting the permissions or giving the permissions. Okay, so grant, with grant, and deny. Grant, with grant, and deny. What is the difference between these three? Okay, grant means you are going to enjoy the permissions. Got it, guys? If I gave you grant permission, grant select, the query is whenever I'm giving permissions, I'm simply selecting, right? What is the query will run in the backend? Grant permission. Grant which permission you are granting? Grant select, grant update, grant delete, grant insert, whatever it is. You are granting one permission. If I gave you select grant, okay, that means you can enjoy select permissions. You can only enjoy select permissions. Clear, guys? Grant means those who got the permissions, they can only enjoy those permissions. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Grant select will be there, means you are giving select permission. Grant insert, you are giving insert permission to the particular login. Grant update, you are giving update permission, means simply giving the permission. Grant can only enjoy the permissions by themselves. Everyone clear? Next is with grant. What is the difference between grant and with grant, guys? Can anyone tell me?
Giving permission is canceling, maybe
No,
revoking.
no.
Sir, giving permission to the particular statement like select statement or insert statement.
Giving permission to the others.
Correct. Okay. So with grant means, say for example, I can give you select grant for you. That means you can only use that select permission on the table or database, whatever it is. Okay. With grant means if I gave you select with grant, you can enjoy select permission. You can give same select permission to others. Clear, guys? You can
Yes, sir.
enjoy select permission. You can enjoy same select to others. That is called
Okay.
with the grant. What is this deny? What is this deny and revoke? Revoke simply
Deny
Deny
means
is to
yeah.
remove that permission. Revoke is
not.
to give permission to again.
Revoke means
second time.
withdrawing the permission, sir, actually, and deny means not giving the permission.
Very good. Revoking means, okay, you are removing the permissions. Till now you have select permission, which is granted. Revoke means I'm going to remove the select permission for you. Taking back the permissions is called revoke. Clear, guys? Taking back the permissions, any permissions. Taking back the permissions, you can call it as a revoke. Then what is meant by deny?
Not giving permission, sir.
Very
Denying.
good. Not giving permissions. Okay, so deny means not giving. We are not going to give permissions to you. Okay, so you can ask question, sir, if I have permissions, I can access the object. If I don't have permissions, I cannot access the object. Then again, why we have to specifically discuss about deny? If I have permissions, I am going to read the data. If I don't have permissions, if I give you select permission to you, that means you can read the data, right? If I don't give you select permission, you cannot read the data. Then again, what is the use of the deny? Tell me, guys, what is the use of the deny? Why we have to discuss about the deny? Say, for example, if you go to here, go to logins, okay, any login, go to any login, right? And if you go to securables, imagine go to securables. There you can see here below, you can see, right?
Grant with grant deny. Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you see here, you can see grant. Lot of permissions are there. Let me go to select permission here. Okay, where is select? Select you cannot see here. Okay, any permission, no problem. Right? Shutdown. Right. Let me go to shutdown permission. This is not the one. Right. So what is the meaning of this? Okay, Krishna have shutdown permission which is granted. What it means?
He can shut down that instance, sir.
Yes, he can shut down the instance. We are denied
Yeah.
permission to specific databases. Okay, Anis. Right. Krishna can shut down the SQL server now. Right. Grant is there,
Yes, sir.
and grant is there on which permission? On shutdown permission. Right. Fine.
Yes.
Now let me know what is the difference between grant and with grant now. Now Krishna have with grant shutdown permission.
Means he can shut down and he can give that permission to others also.
Very good. Okay. Krishna can only give the same permission, guys. Don't confuse here. Krishna is having shutdown permission only. So same shutdown permission he can give it to others.
Yes.
Clear, everyone? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
With the grant. Right. Now can Krishna shut down the SQL server or not? He don't have select permission. He don't have with grant permission. Now can
He
Krishna
cannot.
select the Krishna execute shutdown query or not? I need answers
If
from
he is
everyone.
admin, he can, sir. I think so.
Okay, he is not admin.
He cannot.
That's what he is not member of any role, especially he is not member of sysadmin role. Okay. Now can Krishna shut down the SQL server or not?
No, sir. No.
Everyone, I need answers from everyone. Now Krishna shut down the SQL server or not?
No, sir. He cannot.
No. Why? Because he don't have any permissions. He don't have grant permissions. He don't have with grant permissions on shutdown. Nor he's not a member of any role. Right? By default, Krishna cannot shut down the SQL server. Right? That means if I don't give any permissions also, Krishna cannot enjoy. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? If I don't give any permission to Krishna, Krishna cannot enjoy those permissions. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then what is the use of the deny?
Means
Deny means denying him not to access that permission. Okay. Deny means denying him not to access or not to enjoying that permissions. Okay. So even though I don't give the permissions, he cannot enjoy the permissions. If I deny also, he cannot enjoy the permission. What is the difference between those two? Not giving permissions and denying the permissions.
if we put deny, he cannot request also, maybe.
Nothing like he can request what is there. He can simply raise a ticket or he can send an email.
We are letting him to that process is not for you.
Somewhat close to answer. Right, guys. For example, new DBA joined in the company. Okay. So by mistake, he gave shutdown permission to Krishna. Krishna is a developer. By mistake, he gave shutdown permission to Krishna. Okay. So Krishna can shut down the SQL server. As he is having permissions, Krishna can shut down the SQL server. Right? By mistake. Imagine like that they gave. Okay. But I strongly decided Krishna cannot shut down my SQL server. Okay. So what I did, I gave deny permission to Krishna. So once I gave deny permission to Krishna, even though if someone gives shutdown permission to Krishna, as deny is already there on Krishna, Krishna cannot shut down the SQL server. Agree or not? Clear? Means if we have permissions also, deny is going to denying you to not enjoying the permissions, or deny is not going to permit you to execute those permissions. Clear, guys? Even though you have permissions, Imagine you have select permission, but someone gave deny on select permission to you. Now can you read the table or not?
No, sir.
Until
You cannot.
someone, yes, until the DBA remove the deny permission on you, even though you have select permission, but still you are not able to permit those actions. Simply you have a pass. Okay, you have a meeting invite and you are going to meeting. You have a meeting invite, but you are going to the meeting. Someone stopped you, okay, not entering into the meeting. Someone denying you. If you don't have meeting pass, you cannot go to that meeting. Okay. If someone denied you also, you cannot go to that meeting. But you have pass, but still someone is denying you not going to the meeting. Okay. So in the same way, someone started video, please stop the video. Yes, Shankar, your video is started. You are on mute, Shankar. Done. I just stopped the video. Okay, no problem. Fine. So clear, guys. Even though you have meeting pass, but some security guards are denying you not going to the meeting. In the same way, even though you have select permission, if deny is there on you, you cannot enjoy that permission, select permission. Clear? If you don't have access, you can get the access. But if deny applied on you, even though if someone gave that select permission or any permission, on any permission you can see deny. See, on all permissions you can see deny, right? On all permissions you can see deny, right? See how many permissions you can see, right? So if I click OK, right? Someone by mistake, again, by mistake, someone gave shutdown permissions to Krishna. Okay. If you go down, you can see now two permissions, two shutdowns you can see. See here, this is one shutdown. 1 minute, guys. Just 1 minute. Let me put charging. Now, if you see here, okay, now you can see two shutdown permissions. Okay, now someone gave select permission to this. Clear, guys, two shutdown. Now someone gave select grant and already denies there for Krishna. Okay, let me click OK. Right? Now Krishna can shut down the SQL server or not?
No, sir. He cannot shut down the SQL server.
No, sir, he
Krishna
cannot.
cannot shut down the SQL server. Why? Because someone is denying you, denying Krishna, okay, permitting to shut down the SQL server. So he cannot shut down. See here, that is also there. Shut down here. Sysadmin denies the most permission. Okay, after sysadmin denies the most powerful permission. If you are a member of process admin, but kill permission is denied on you, now can you kill the session or not?
No, sir, you cannot.
We cannot. Why? Because even though you might be a process admin, okay, but deny is there on you, deny only will win. Process admin versus deny only will win. You are a member of DB creator. You can create the databases, but someone gave deny permissions creating new objects to you. Now can you create database?
No, sir.
No.
Why? Because deny have the
there
priority.
on create database permission. So after sysadmin, deny is the second highest privileged permission in the SQL server, guys. Only sysadmin don't listen deny. Remaining all permissions, all roles has to listen deny. Clear, everyone? Clear, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Revoking means simply taking back the permissions. You can consider as a revoke permissions. Okay. Revoking the permissions means removing the permissions. You can consider as a revoke the permissions. Okay. So let's discuss about other roles as well. So last time we
Sir?
discussed. Yes. Tell me.
Sir, can that person find that who is denying that person?
No.
Permission?
That person doesn't. See, for example, Krishna cannot find who is denying. Okay. Krishna cannot find. Like usually 99% DBS only will give deny permissions. But it's not possible which DBA gave deny permissions to me. That is not possible. Okay. Yeah. Trying to log in from desktop to simply showing. Shashi, can you like 1 minute, Shashi? Have you joined now, Shashi? From phone, huh? Shashi, you're on mute. Okay, that's fine. Okay. As of now, you are there, right? Let's see. Let's figure it out. Okay. So we'll fix that issue. No problem. Okay. Fine. So let's discuss about the security admin. So we discussed about bulk admin, DB creator, disk admin process. What is the stored procedure, guys? What is the stored procedure to find the permissions of any role? What is the stored procedure? What is the stored
SP
procedure?
underscore
Hmm.
SP underscore SRV role permission.
Okay. Right. So SP underscore SRV role permission. If this changed the color, that is a correct stored procedure. Okay. If it is in black color, or if you see, okay, something like underline and all, that means it is wrong. Okay. Right. So let me go to this security admin. Security admin, guys, can anyone guess what kind of permissions will be there for security admin? Just
Giving
guess.
authentication, sir. Giving authentication and giving login permissions.
Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. Security admin deals with security, guys. Security means creating logins, giving permissions. Okay. These kind of things will come, right? So security admin will have these are the permissions. Almost all it will have 16, I guess. Okay. Right. Yes. 16 permissions. So if you see here, a member of security admin can create the login, can delete the login. A member of security admin can create the login, can delete the login. Okay, guys, I have a question for you. Process admin, you know, right? What process admin will do? A member of process admin can kill the permissions, right? Can kill the sessions, sorry. A member of process admin can kill the sessions, right? Fine. Now my question is, we have two persons, right? Let me check. Yeah, Dev and Krishna. Dev is a member of process admin, guys. Dev is a member of process admin. Okay. Krishna is a member of sysadmin. Means Krishna is sysadmin here. Dev is process admin here. Krishna opened one session. Okay. Now Dev, who is a member of process admin, can kill Krishna's session or not?
No, sir.
No, sir. He cannot.
Can't.
Everyone cleared, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
a process admin can kill sysadmin session or not? That is my final question. Okay, a process
sir.
admin can kill the sysadmin session or not? You have to let
No,
me
sir,
know the
he cannot.
answer by tomorrow. I'll give you the time.
No, sir. Why? Because sysadmin have highest privilege, so he cannot
Check it,
kill.
try
Okay,
it,
sir.
try it, and let me know the answer.
Okay, sir.
You know, right, how to practice. Open
Yes,
a
sir.
session from Krishna or any login, whatever you want, you can just. He should be a member of sysadmin. You know how to make him as a sysadmin. Simply double click on it, server roles. You will just click it as sysadmin. And for Dev, you are going to just click on the process admin. In the same way, Dev, server roles, process admin. Okay, right. It's already
Yes,
there.
sir.
Just open a session from, open a sysadmin session, Krishna, from just login as Krishna, open a session. So automatically as Krishna is a sysadmin, of course. Okay, he can open the session and all. Right, fine. Now go to Dev session. Dev session means here you can see, right? Dev login name here. Okay, he's the administrator login. In the same way, you can find Dev login. If you open a session from Dev, that is a Dev session. Okay, let me connect as SQL Server authentication. This is Krishna, right? Let me Dev 1, 2, 3. Just 1 minute, guys. Hello. Hello. Right. Okay. Meeting is going to end. Let me reopen the meeting. Please join immediately with the same link. Okay. Please join immediately with the same link, guys.